An InstaSite is a fully functional website that our system personalizes to your business clients in seconds. Our experienced web developers design each website to provide a clean, sleek, and seamless experience for your users. Each website is complete with SEO-optimized content to help your business start ranking with no delay. Furthermore, the InstaSites app collects the data you have from your business client, including the business name, logo, phone number, email, address, business hours, and much more. It then automatically integrates this data appropriately throughout the site thanks to its Smart Data Connect fields. As a result, you can create a brand new website to sell to your business prospects in a matter of seconds. You can even automate each build to send out a notification immediately without any additional input from your team. To access the InstaSites app, go to the app drawer in the top right corner. Then, click the InstaSites icon. After entering the InstaSites app, you'll arrive at the Templates tab. Here, you can browse over 200 unique websites that span every type of business category. We're also constantly taking suggestions for new template ideas and looking to add more for your convenience. On the left, you can quickly navigate through the different categories. You can also search for a specific template by using the search bar in the top right corner. After finding a template you like, you can access a quick mini preview by utilizing the desktop, tablet, and mobile icons in the corner of each template. You can access a full scale preview by hovering over the template, then click Preview. This takes you to a new page with side-by-side comparisons of each device layout. You can navigate the entire website using each device perspective by clicking the icons at the top of this page. All previews are fully functional and will allow you to take an in-depth look before committing to a purchase. Note, if you notice minor things you would like to change in a template, you will have the opportunity to edit the template before purchasing. Building an InstaSite requires no charge, and you will be able to edit and personalize the site as much as you like before purchasing. On the template, you will also see a button that says Build InstaSite. To learn more about that process, click the link in the article below. The second tab is My InstaSites. This displays a list of all of your InstaSites. Be aware that this page will contain an empty list until you build an InstaSite using the previous tab. After you receive a notification that your website is being built, you can jump to this tab and see it in your list of InstaSites. This table will feature all of the information you provided and then some, including the company name, phone number, email, and so on. The two new categories you will notice are Priority and Status. Priority refers to how high of a priority a site should be in regard to following up with your prospect and closing the sale. To learn how we calculate priority, be sure to click the link in the article below. Status is an indicator of where your website is in the build process. On the left side of the page, you can filter your InstaSites quickly by status. Built means that your InstaSite now exists and notifications have been sent to your contacts. Queued means your InstaSite is in the queue and will build shortly. Purchased means you purchased this website for your client. Canceled is an uncommon status and typically only appears if you or an internal team member on our end cancels the build for some purpose. Failed means the InstaSite build was not successful. Our system will attempt to retry once. If there is still a problem, it will remain with this status. Retrying means the initial build was unsuccessful, and the system is attempting to build once more. After a set period, we schedule any InstaSites that are not purchased for purging. If a site has the purge status, we will still hold that website information for 30 days. You can choose to rebuild the site with the same information as long as you do so within that period. You may also search for a specific InstaSite by entering the company name or any other identifying information associated with the build. This is located in the top right corner. Also on the far right, you will notice the activity feed. This provides a quick summary showing the date and time of when it was queued, when it was successfully built, and the date and time of purchase. If you did not purchase the site, the checkbox will be blank alongside a message stating, "Not purchased yet." The final tab is the Reporting tab. The Reporting tab offers a simple breakdown of your various metrics, including built, the number of successful builds versus failed builds, viewed, the number of successful builds versus how many sites are actually viewed by your leads, and purchased, the number of InstaSites you build versus how many you actually purchase. The bottom of the page also features a table that breaks down these metrics by industry. These numbers are comparable to the total shown above, but do not automatically calculate percentages. You may also review reporting for a specific date range by utilizing the calendar feature in the top right corner. You can select any one of the predetermined ranges in the leftmost column. Otherwise, you can set a specific date range by clicking once to set your start date, then clicking once more to set your end date. If you'd like to see a more detailed breakdown of these reporting metrics, be sure to click the link in the article below. Let's go back to the My InstaSites tab. The My InstaSites tab comes with certain customization features that may make your viewing experience more convenient. Starting at the bottom of your table, you can see the number of items per page. You can change this to show 25, 50, or 100 items. If there's any information you find extraneous or would like to omit from the My InstaSites table, you can do so by accessing the Manage Columns menu in the top right corner. You can find this here to the right of the search bar. Clicking this button will prompt this menu to appear. On the left side of the menu, you can click the blue check marks to hide or reveal columns of your choosing. The company name and status column must always remain visible. You can also choose to hide all columns simultaneously by clicking the box next to All Columns. You can also rearrange the order in which your columns appear by using the section on the right. Click on one of the gray boxes to drag and drop them wherever you would like. You can also click the X on the right of the category to delete them. This covers the basics of navigating and accessing the different features located within the InstaSites app.